Right now, someone with half your knowledge is getting 10 times your reach online. And the only real difference is how they create content. Content creation used to mean hours every day, writing, editing, posting, repeating, until burnout killed the consistency that actually builds an audience. A woman posting cooking videos 3 times a week was exhausted and barely growing, until she batched a full month in a single Saturday session with AI. One Saturday session replaced 30 daily grind days. She produced more content in 4 hours than in a month, and her audience grew consistently for the first time. A man wrote one blog post and watched it disappear, then learned to turn that same post into a newsletter, 5 LinkedIn posts, 3 captions, and 2 video scripts with AI. Same idea, 5 times the audience. Because one piece of content should be working on every platform simultaneously, not just one. Most people post what they feel like writing. The smart move is finding what your audience is actively searching for and building every piece of content around that instead. A creator shifted from posting what she loved to posting what her audience wanted. Her views doubled in 6 weeks without changing how hard she worked. Hook lines decide whether anyone reads past the first sentence. AI generates 10 variations in 30 seconds, so you always publish the strongest version, not just the first. Content posted across platforms without optimization underperforms everywhere, but adapted properly, it reaches completely different audiences from the exact same idea. Content burnout is not a creativity problem, it is a system problem, and people who build AI-powered content systems produce 4 times the output in the same hours. Your expertise is worth more than you think, and the playbook teaches you exactly how to extract it and turn it into content your audience saves, shares, and comes back for. The AI Content Playbook is 25 practical strategies for growing online with AI. Try it free your first month on Gumroad and cancel anytime. Inside, repurposing systems, hook frameworks, video scripting methods, and a complete content funnel, all organized so you can apply them today. The creator who posts consistently with a smart system beats the brilliant one who posts once a month every single time. Find the playbook on Gumroad and start building yours.